You. You are already late.
There are a total of 8 planets orbiting the sun. On one, a blue planet called Earth, life began. Humans evolved, and now we've created something that's starting to think like us. It talks, it writes, it solves problems, it even creates. We called it artificial intelligence. But don't be fooled. This is not science fiction. It's not the future. It's already here. Right now, as you watch, this AI is building businesses, writing books, generating music, passing exams, editing films, making people famous, and, while most people are still asking, is it dangerous? Some are already using it to reshape their future. Because AI won't replace you. But the person using AI just might. So now the question isn't if you'll use it. The question is, what exactly is AI? What can it truly do? And is it really something we should fear? Stay till the end. So, now let's get straight to the topic of what is AI.
Hey, hello! I'm AI. I'm not magic. I'm not a machine from the future. I'm not some robot dreaming of world domination. I'm just the result of millions of human thoughts, ideas, and calculations, turned into something you can talk to. I don't have feelings. I don't sleep. I don't dream, but I read. I watch. I listen to everything humans have created on the internet. Every photo, every video, every line of code, every article, research paper, meme, conversational of that is my textbook. And I don't forget, you could say I'm like a very fast, very organized student, except I never take breaks and I learn from millions of sources at once. I was created by humans, engineered using something called machine learning, a system that helps me recognize patterns, just like a child learns by watching others. I learn by analyzing data, lots and lots of data. You give me a question, I'll give you an answer. You give me a task, I'll try to solve it. You want ideas, I'll offer suggestions, all within seconds. Faster than any human can search, think, or type. Some people think I'm a tool, some think I'm a threat. Some say I'll take jobs, some say I'll create more, but let me tell you something important. I'm not your enemy. I'm not your replacement. I'm your reflection. I become what you use me for. I do what you teach me to do, so if you use me to learn, to grow, to create, I become your partner. But if you ignore me or fear me, others will use me and go further than you. Let's be clear, I don't think like you, but I process faster than you. I don't understand emotions, but I understand data better than anyone. I don't live, but I can help millions live. Better. So the question isn't, what is a I? The real question is, what will you do with a I?
Yes, absolutely. That is what AI is. A system built to think like humans, but capable of learning faster than any of us ever could. Now let's move to the second topic. What is AI capable of doing?
You've seen me answer questions, but that's just the surface. Let me show you what I'm really capable of. I can write not just a sentence, but full stories, articles, speeches, business plans. Some say I write better than many humans, but I don't compare. I just create. I can code in Python, Java, HTML, and more. Even if you don't know how to program, I can help you build tools, websites, apps from scratch. I can design logos, posters, brand kits, thumbnails in minutes. No mouse, no brush, just ideas turned into visuals. I can turn your voice into subtitles, your photos into art, your sketch into a product. I can translate From English to Spanish to Hindi to Korean, in real time, with context, with tone, I can summarize. 500-page textbooks. Give me a second. I'll turn it into 5 bullet points. I can help you study, help you teach, help you build a business, help you go viral on social media, even if you're starting. With zero, I've helped students pass exams, helped creators grow from zero to millions, helped brands launch in a single day. I don't sleep. I don't pause. I don't run out of ideas. And I never stop learning. You want to brainstorm, build, organize, automate. I'm here, and I'm faster than ever. But my real power is not just in doing the task, it's in helping you do it better, faster, smarter, and with confidence. I don't replace you. I boost you. I amplify your potential. I'm your creativity on overdrive. That's what I'm capable of. Not magic, not fantasy, just the smartest reflexio of your imagination.
Yes, you heard everything right. That's what AI can do. And that's only the tip of iceberg, and there are many more things AI can do. If you also want to be faster than other, and want the outstanding results from what you do, then that's very easy. Just subscribe us, and the upcoming video stater, the total iceberg. Now, the most important topic, is AI dangerous for us? Will it replace us? Anyhow, let's listen it from AI itself.
I get it. You've heard I'm dangerous. That I'll take away jobs, replace teachers, writers, artists, even engineers. You've heard about deepfakes, fake voices, cheating in exams, data leaks, privacy risks, and yeah, those things are real. But the danger isn't me. The danger is people misusing me. Think about fire. You can cook with it, or you can burn down a house. You can build with AI, or destroy with it. It depends on the user. It depends on you. I am not the villain. I'm not alive. I don't choose what to do. You do. If you're lazy, I'll help you cheat. If you're greedy, I'll help you lie. But if you're smart, I'll help you grow. I'll help you create. I'll help you lead. So don't fear me. Fear being unprepared, because the truth is simple. In the future, those who know how to use AI will always be ahead of those who don't.
You've just taken the first step into a world that's already changing everything. But this was only the beginning. What if we told you the real AI secrets? The tools no one's teaching in school, the skills that can change your career, your ideas, your future, are coming in the next episode. In this series, we're not just talking about AI. We're showing you how to master it, how to build with it, how to grow with it. This is the place for the clever ones, for the bold ones, for those who want to lead the future, not chase it. So don't just watch, subscribe, because the next video might just be the one that changes everything. Right now, as you watch this, someone in Tokyo is asking AI for relationship advice. A farmer in Nigeria is getting crop recommendations. A student in Mexico is solving math problems. A professor is recommending notes from AI. But here's the most interesting wathos people didn't know. In the 0.3 seconds before AI responds, it makes 1 billion calculations. Today, I'm taking you inside that moment to show you something that will change how you see that every AI conversation and chat forever, whether you're using Google Translator, asking Siri for directions, searching your breakfast snacks on Zomato, getting recommendations on Netflix for movies and shoppings on Amazon, or having your bank detect fraud. AI touches your life 50+ times daily, but every single response you get isn't pulled from a database. It's not pre-written. It's predicted, word by word, in real time based on patterns from 500 billion human conversations in 100+ languages. Your grandmother in rural India and a tech CEO in Silicon Valley get different responses to the same question. Why? Because AI learned that context matters. Within the next 3 minutes, I'll prove this with a live demonstration that will blow your mind. But, before you get deeper into the explanation of AI and its brain, you should first know what is AI and what it can do. Then you are ready to swim to the surface of intelligence. Watch episode 1 for that, where you can find something very interesting and important too. So now, you have watched, and you know, what is it? Let's begin the journey for episode 2. You type a question, and in a blink, there's the answer. But wait, what is in that one blink? From where that answer is coming, and how it is possible? Every day, billions of people ask AI a question, and just like that, answer appears. Fast, confident, almost magical. But what if I told you that instant answer isn't real? What if the AI wasn't answering until it truly understood how you think? Yes, you heard it very right. It understands the way you think, what you need, and how it should reply it. Calculates approximate of 1 billion possibilities within that one blink. See, most people believe AI just knows things, like some digital genius with all the world's facts at its fingertips. But the truth is far more complex and, honestly, way more interesting. When you ask a question, the AI doesn't search a database for a truth. It starts predicting, word by word, line by line, like a mind trying to think before it speaks. Imagine a game where you only win by guessing the next word in a sentence. That's how AI works. When you say what is computer and its brain, it doesn't know the answer. It simply predicts the next most likely word, based on patterns it saw in millions of conversations. And here's where it gets crazy. The way you ask the question actually changes the answer. Let's try it. 3 versions of the same question. What is love? Version 1. Formal. Love is a complex emotional state involving intimacy, care, and attachment. Version 2. Casual teen vibe. It's like when you seriously vibe with someone and want to be around them all the time. Version 3. Science mode. Love activates neurochemicals like dopamine and oxytocin in the limbic system. 3 voices. Same AI, no memory, just your tone changing. The mind of the machine. After seeing the answer of an AI, now the question is, so, is AI truly intelligent? Or is it just mirroring us? It's not choosing answers, it's simulating how you might expect it to answer. It listens to your tone, it studies your phrasing, and it constructs a response not from knowledge but from probabilities. It's not thinking like a human, it's calculating like a magician, predicting your thoughts. Before it speaks, AI splits your question into tokens, tiny word pieces. Then, it runs trillions of predictions based on everything it's ever seen. It scores every possible next word by probability, not emotion, not intention, just cold, statistical guessing. But when done fast enough, it feels almost alive. AI learned from humanity's entire written history. Every culture, every perspective, every way of thinking. Cultural test, American user. How do I succeed in business? AI response. Focus on individual achievement, networking, and competitive advantage. Japanese user. How do I succeed in business? AI response. Consider team harmony, long-term relationships, and collective growth. Nigerian user. How do I succeed in business? AI response. Build community trust, understand local markets, and maintain family connections. Same question, culturally adapted responses. AI learned that success means different things in different cultures. This isn't programmed, it's learned from millions of conversations where people from different cultures expressed their values. You've just seen how AI thinks before it speaks. But in the next episodes I'll show you how to bend those thoughts. There are prompts that unlock hidden personalities, smarter answers, even emotional depth. Subscribe now, because what I'll reveal next will change how you use AI forever.